In this video, I will be showing you how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So step one, you just have to open your Snapchat and you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Step two, you have to go to your profile or simply go directly to your conversation. Step three, you have to locate or tap the conversation that you want to take a screenshot. Okay, that specific conversation that you want to take a screenshot. For example, I'm going to tap my friend's message here, Jenna Lopez. But before anything else, step four, you have to turn on your airplane mode and turn off your Wi Fi. Okay, now step five, you just have to open the conversation and take a screenshot. Now, step six, what you're going to do here is to long press the conversation and then go to chat settings. Step seven, what you're going to do here is to simply click chat settings and then tap clear from chat feed. Click clear. Now, step eight, all you have to do is to simply exit your application and then turn on your Wi Fi. Step 9, go back to your Snapchat application. Go directly to that specific conversation. Now, step 10, once you open that conversation, you will not see that notification here that you took a screenshot of the conversation. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.